A man in a rented van mowed down cyclists and pedestrians in New York, killing 8 people in what the city's mayor called a particularly cowardly act of terror. The truck was driven down a popular cycle path close to the World Trade Center Memorial, injuring at least 11 people on Tuesday afternoon. The driver barreled along the bike path in a rented Home Depot truck for the equivalent of about 14 blocks, or around 0.8 of a mile, before slamming into a small yellow school bus. He was shot in the stomach by police and arrested after jumping out of the van with what turned out to be a fake gun in each hand. The mayhem and the burst of police gunfire set off panic in the neighborhood and left the pavement strewn with bodies and mangled bicycles. "I saw a lot of blood over there. A lot of people on the ground," said Chen Yi, an Uber driver. Eugene Duffy, a chef at a waterfront restaurant, said so many police came and they didn't know what was happening. People were screaming. Females were screaming at the top of their lungs.